Energy Country Ford presents Road Trippin', brought to you by Johnson Shell and 5 Point Credit Union.
We're road tripping in Orange. We're at Callahan Insurance, Farmers Insurance, and with us is Rick Callahan, and we're going to talk about something that a lot of people don't like to talk about, and that's life insurance. We're used to having car insurance and insurance for our house, but sometimes we don't have insurance for our life, and that causes problems for those we leave behind.
Yes, it does, because all too often we think too much about things that we could lose other than losing the primary breadwinner, and that can be a devastating event for the family.
Yeah, and so in the past, a lot of times our employers provided life insurance, so that's becoming less so. People change jobs, they may not have life insurance anymore, so they kind of need to have that discussion with someone like you as an insurance agent about what they need, and you can walk them through it.
Absolutely, absolutely. I encourage everyone to get as much of the life insurance that they can from their employer, but it always is a benefit if you have your own private insurance. There's no way that anybody could ever discredit that.
And they may not know that like you do life insurance, and I'm sure you bring it up to customers if they get that kind of look on their face like, I don't want to have this discussion, but I know I ought to have this discussion.
Yes, I do get that look quite often. I've even been told I'm not going to die before.
Okay, well, we'll leave that where it is. But let's talk a little bit about hurricane season, too. We're in the middle of hurricane season right now. Now, go back to 2008, Hurricane Ike. You guys here at Callahan Insurance were able to stay open and ended up taking care of a lot of business for all kinds of different folks who had their insurance needs, and they were pretty happy about that.
Yes, they were. So many of the insurance agents that were in the Bridge City and south of Orange area lost their office and their home. They weren't able to operate, and we put the word out on the street that we were up and running, and anybody that needed any help with their flood insurance claims to please come here. It didn't matter which company they were with. And we were able to fax in their proof of loss statement so that they could get emergency money for their family.
Yeah, and FEMA actually recognized you for that effort, and that's kind of nice.
Yes, it was. The FEMA representatives came around in person with a certificate in appreciation for the help that I gave them.
Okay, Rick. Well, anybody that has any questions or anything they need to get in touch with you guys, you'll be happy to sit down with them, talk about whatever kind of insurance needs they have, because that's for the bumps in the road, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Be glad to speak with anyone.
All right, Rick. Thanks a lot again. Road tripping here in Orange at Calliham Insurance. Give them a call.